So the GREE EEV troubleshooting video, we have a person that says, got a beautiful picture of Daniel here on this video. Thanks, Daniel, for that video. We have, if the EEV is outside, how do I measure subcooling? My superheat is near zero. Evap flood or flooded evaporator for superheat is down near zero. Got a unit GUTD60W1NHBSS is underperforming with poor humidity control and low compressor speed. It's rated at 28 amps at T3, but always pulls 22 to 23 amps. Pulled a deep vacuum and charged to weight, but issue still remains. Okay, so I'm going to go and say that the GUTD60W is probably not a unit. I mean, it's not a model number that we have.
Not one that I recognize.
It sounds like it's going to be either a U-match or a flex-like system.
Yep.
So let's talk about it. If we've got a flooded evaporator coil and high amp draw, what could be causing the high amp draw if we have a flooded coil?
Overcharge, maybe.
Overcharge for sure.
Yeah. Could it
Either
also be
that,
like
or I mean, other items like blower wheel dirty, evaporator coil dirty, filter dirty. Just
so poor airflow?
Yeah.
Low
Poor
airflow,
airflow.
yeah. High static.
I gotcha. So, well, like if we did pull a deep vacuum and we did charge to weight, did follow that calculation, then, chances are we are looking at a poor airflow situation.
Yep.
So I'd go take a look and inspect that. Who knows what you might find, right? We've seen pictures of collapsed ductwork, whole sections of ductboard just hanging out in the return, just all kinds of things,
Yeah, I was about to say you might find something worth taking a picture of.
Yeah, right. And who knows? Maybe your picture will be featured in an episode, and we never mention names. But if you find like a poor installation or something like that, hey, feel free to send it to us. I mean, I think that's wonderful. We can share the highs and lows of HVAC. We share in those too. Anybody else? So we're looking at poor airflow probably. If it's not a charge issue, is there anything else?
I would go straight for airflow. Get out the manometers. Check static.
Right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, off the top of my head at this point, I mean, we always want to look at a component failure or something like that, but the thing is, it's heating and air. It's heating and air. It's heating and air. Right. So we got to have airflow. Got to have it.
Thanks for getting involved. If you need more answers, catch us live every month when we tackle your questions in real time. Head over to greecomfort.com/GREE-training where you can register for the next Talking Comfort Live. See you there.